on for today. Okay, please open the starter workbook. Let me know once you're ready with the workbook.
Yeah, opened it.
Awesome.
Yeah, me too.
So we are basically having two data files with us. One is balance and another is customer details. So in balance, we're going to have each account balance, what balance is there. And in customer details, we basically have their monthly. Okay. We basically have some monthly plan. Available in having we want this challenge would be based on the balance amount and the monthly set that we are having is something like this. We are having TV recharge kind of data set, wherein we've got two different Excel files. One is having a balance data, the current available balance in the account, and next one will be customer details table, wherein we're going to have the customer details and what is their current package. Okay, now so first challenge is we basically need to find when the account going to be expired based on the balance they do have, and based on the balance they do have in the balance sheet, and with compared to customer details. So here we're going to have the monthly rental amount. Is the challenge clear?
Can you repeat?
So okay, we basically having normal broadband kind of data set, wherein we've got like two tables. One is our account balance table, the current balance on this particular day, and another one is our customers account details table. In account details table, we've got a customer number, name, gender, customer state, and their monthly rental pay. So this is going to be their monthly plan that they've choose. Right. So if it's 200, then if they have balance amount as 200, that means they're going to have still 1 month left for their account to be running in active. Okay. Right. So now the main agenda here is to find when this particular account going to be expired based on this account balance on this particular day. So this is going to be our reference day. From here we're going to find how many days it's still left for each account. Okay, got it. And I've listed few helpful functions for you. You can use them as well. Okay, step 1 will be connecting to those data sets. So to do that, we'll go into data, get data from file, and basically connect the first balance sheet. One. Alright, so it's look good. No need of any transformation. I'll click load to only connection. Okay. Rename this balance. Alright, I'll go into the same procedure for customer details table as well. All right, everything looks good. I'll click load to connection only. I'll click OK. Rename C_details. Right. Run up till here.
Yes.
Okay, so the next step would be we basically want account rental payment details from here and the current balance from here. So we need to match these two connections, right? Also, I'll go into combine query and click match. So I'll select balance, customer details. I want to match based on the customer name, and it's going to be left join. And I'll click OK. I'll bring it in. Now I'll expand this customer details table. So from this customer details table, I required only the monthly rental pay. So I'll click OK. So now this is the table that we will be requiring. So if you're ready, we can proceed into find those details. So do let me know once you're till here. This is everyone till here.
Yeah.
Awesome. So okay. So as this is a monthly rental level, so we basically want to have a day level. What's going to be the rent for each day? So I'll go into custom column. So add column and then custom column, and okay, I'll rename this as charge per day, and I'll bring in this monthly rental amount. They basically charge for 28 days, right? So I'll just divide it by 28 so that we're going to have monthly rent, rent for each day, or the charge for each day. So I'll click OK, and I'll change this into currency. Okay, so for each account, we find what's going to be the charge for each day, right? Then what we need to find, we basically need to find how many days still left with this particular amount, right? So for that we'll add a new column, number of days left, and we're going to bring this account balance divided by charge per day. right? So if I click OK, I'll just change into whole number. So with this balance, we're going to have 14 more days. With this balance, we're going to have 16 more days, right? Based on the charge per day. So we found number of days left for each account. Now we basically need to add this number of days to this particular on day to find the expired date. So I'll click here, add column, expiry date. So I'll go into date dot add days. So to which column I want to add day, to on date column, add how many days I want to add, these many days, number of days left. This one is like okay. Now this is going to be the expire date for each account. So what have we done? So first we've added a custom column to find the charge per day. Then we've added a number of day left column. So that is nothing but account balance divided by charge per day. That gives how many days left with this particular account balance. Then we've added a new column which says expire date, in which we just added add days to this particular on day with the number of days left to achieve this expiry date. Please go ahead and do the same calculations in your book as well.
Till I got number of days left as decimal. How do I convert it to integer?
You can click on this small icon, right, and you can just change it to whole number, or basically it used to be something like this. So if I change this to whole number, it's going to be same.
Okay, got it.
Is everyone clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Then the next step would be, we'll just remove the unnecessary columns. Remove this, remove that, and this one is really not required. So I'll just right click and remove column, and I'll go into file, close and load to as in table. into the existing workbook. So let me just drop the table over here. You click OK. You got that. I'll rename this. I'll rename that as challenge 1. And done. All right, now that's about challenge 1. Now in challenge 2, we basically need to find how many days left before the account to be expired, or if it already expired, then how many days has been passed. So we found the expire date over here, right? Okay, sorry. I'll change this into we found expire date over here, right? So based on this expire date, we need to find how many days past if this account already been expired, or how many days are left from today. This is our challenge. So yeah, you can duplicate this query and you can work right from there where you left. I'll close this. I'll show you that again. So because anyway we created all the connections and we brought in all the expire date in here, right? So we can work from here as a new query. So to that you can right click, you can click on duplicate. That is going to be duplicated as a new query, and you can work from here as well. Instead of recreating this all expire date from scratch, you can directly work from there. Yeah, take some time, and we'll look into the solution after. second there. So first we basically need to find what's going to be today, right? For that, process. I'm going to add column, then custom column. Let's name this as today, and here let's say date, time, local now. That basically returns the local time. As you can see, it's like March 2nd, 9:43. We'll just have it as day alone. Okay, then we basically need to find the difference between expiry date and today. To do that, we'll add a new column. We'll say number of days passed. So we'll say expiry date minus today. Right, I'll click OK. So now you can see it's like 15 days passed for this particular account, for first account, right? And for second account it's 13 days passed, and so on. And we'll basically remove this column, this helper column, and we'll close and load to existing workbook into this workbook as a table. Click OK. Then we've got these details in. And let's rename this as challenge 2. So any doubts as of now? So what we did, we first created a column to find the today's date. Then we've added a new column to find the days difference between the expiry date and today. And we closed and load this into our sheet. That's ended up like this. That's all I planned for today.